The following information was gathered by students who counted the number of cars through a busy intersection for 22-minute intervals, and we can see the numbers here. Draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram for the data. So the first thing is to probably draw an unordered diagram where we just get the data into the stem and leaf. Now the lowest values are single digits, so I'm going to start my stem with a 0, and the highest value that I can see is the 45. I can't see anything in the 50s, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do spot a 50, I can always just add it to the bottom of the diagram. So now the leaves. So we've got 9, 13, 37, 18. You can see how I'm just taking the second digit from here and put it next to the appropriate point in the stem. I'm not paying too much attention to that at the moment, and I didn't mean to use that highlighter pen. So that was a 4. And then we've got 19, we've got 39, 42, 30, 45, 26, 33, 36, 27, 34, 27, 8, and 42. And now we're going to do our ordered diagram, where we're going to take a bit more time over making it look nice. And the other thing is we should have a key, and I'll introduce the key in a moment. Now for 0, we just got 8 and 9. You should use a ruler for these lines, by the way. Now 0, 3, 8, 9, but I'm being very careful to space them equally and make sure that these numbers go down in a column. So here I've got 4, 6, 4, 6, 7, 7, 8. Note how everything's lining up. 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. And then we've got 2, 2, and 5. And we can use any value from here. So for example, we say 2, 4 means 24. And that's because in another diagram, it might mean 0.24 or 2.4. And that's our ordered diagram. We now want to find the median and range. Well, the range is the easiest one, so let's do that first. We can see quite easily that the largest value is 45, and the smallest value is 8, and therefore 37 is the range. The median is the middle of an ordered set, and once we've got our diagram, we have an ordered set. How many pieces of data do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if we do 20 add 1 divided by 2, that's 10.5, and that tells us that we need to be between the 10th and the 11th pieces of data, because 10.5 is between 10 and 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we're in this gap here, halfway between 27 and 28. And so the median is 27.5.